This is not just a tool. This is a skill. If you truly understand Wireshark, you understand how the internet breathes. Wireshark isn't hacking, it's seeing the truth. Packet analyzer at the network root. Captures traffic moving through the wire. Raw communication, digital fireworks at layers deep in the stack. From Ethernet frame to TCP track. Shows you protocols in structured form. Every request, every response born. It don't guess, it don't assume. It shows raw data in every room. If data moves, it will appear. Wireshark makes the invisible clear.
Master the packets, learn the flow. What apps hide the network shows. From source to desk, decode the line. That's how hackers redesign. Master the packets, don't just see. Understand the full anatomy. Because the hacker who reads the wire controls the system's hidden file.
Start with TCP, IP, know the base, how packets move from place to place. Three-way handshake, how connection start. SYN, syncate, network art. Learn protocols one by one. HTTP, DNS, how they run. TLS encryption, what it hides and what still leaks on the sides. Understand ports and service roles. Which app listens, what control. Headers, payloads, flags in line. Each field holds a hidden sign. Filters next, the real skill key. Display only what you need to see. TCP, eliminate the DNS. DTPP, cut the noise, think logically. Plain text credentials and HTTP login requests exposed to see. If no encryption guards the gate, passwords travel in open state. Man in the middle leaves a trace. Duplicate responses, time and break. Say RP spoofing shifts the lane. Fake MAC addresses change the chain. DNS poison and redirect flow. Fake IPs the victim won't know. Suspicious queries have no more replies. That's how attackers disguise. Malware beginning out at night. Strange connections not sitting right. Command and control in quiet streams. Wireshark breaks those hidden schemes.
Master the packets, learn the flow. What apps hide the network shows. From source to desk, decode the line. That's how hackers redesign. Master the packets, don't you see? Understand the full anatomy. Because the hacker who reads the wire controls the system's hidden file.
Unencrypted protocols, biggest flaw. Telnet FTP with no law. Data exposed for anyone near. Sniff the traffic, everything's clear. Weak network segmentation design. Too much access across the line. Flat networks make movement fast. Attackers travel from first to last. Misconfigured services talking loud. Broadcast traffic to the crowd. Sensitive info leaking free. Because no one checks security. Use encryption, HTTP as strong. TLS makes sniffing wrong. Even if captured data stays sealed. Attackers block, secrets concealed. Segment networks control the flow. Limit what each zone can know. Monitor traffic baseline first. Detect anomalies before they burst. IDS, IPS working tight. But Wireshark helps you see the fight. Incident response starts right here. Packet analysis makes it clear. Login, monitoring, constant view. That's how defenders follow through. Because defense isn't just a wall. It's understanding traffic overall.
Wireshark doesn't teach you hack. It teaches you how systems communicate. And once you understand communication, you understand attacks. You understand defense. You understand everything.
Master the packets from start to end. Attack and defense both comprehend. From TCP flows to DNS calls. Understand the network walls. Master Wireshark, don't just try. Train your eye to question why. Because the hacker who reads each byte can see the system's hidden file.
If you can read packets, you don't need guesses. You don't need luck. You see the truth as it happens.